Hey, Bill McDonald here with Lucas Oil. As you can see, the market's exploded with the side-by-side, the UTV market out there. It's gone crazy. Everybody's got to have one now. You know, we've seen them on the racing applications. We've seen them in the farmers are using them. The families are using them. It's a good weekend project to go play in. You know, so in the racing side of it, we got into it and we built them for our racing engines in those particular vehicles to make sure everything upholds. So if it upholds on the racing side of the things, it's going to hold up. We make a premium product out there. We got a synthetic transmission fluid. We got a synthetic 10W50 there. We got the front differential. We got the rear differential covered. We got everything for everybody. So on your specific one, when you're looking for it, we make products for all of them. Go to lucasoil.com, look at the specification sheets and make sure you're getting the right application for your vehicle, and you can't go wrong. Lucas Oil, it works.